To solve this equation, we need to consider this equality sign. This equality sign is like a bridge or a fence. Taking for example, if a child should jump a fence, two things will happen. Firstly, it's either the child jumps the fence and nothing happens to the child, or he jumps the fence and breaks his leg. The same thing is applicable here. Any number that crosses the equality sign, if the number is on the left hand side and moves to the right hand side, the sign of that number will change. The same thing, if a number is on the right hand side and crosses over to the left hand side, the sign of that number will change. Now, how do we know the sign of a number? To know the sign of a number is always in front of the number. Taking for example, this 5, the sign of this 5 is minus. The sign of this x is plus. The sign of this 2 is invisible plus. The sign of this 2x is minus. We have the numbers and variables on the left hand side. Anyone that crosses over to the right hand side, the sign of that number will change. Okay, to solve this equation, the first thing we need to do is to collect the like terms. What are like terms? The numbers or variables that are similar. For example, we have x here, we also have x here. So the 2x will come to one side, while the ones that does not have x will move to the other side. We have x minus 2x will cross the equality sign to be plus 2x. We put the equality sign. Minus 5 will cross the equality sign to be plus 5. Plus 2 will cross the equality sign to be minus 2. The next thing, x plus 2x will give us 3x equals to 5 minus 2 will give us 3. We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So we have 3x over 3 equals to 3 over 3. 3 will cancel 3 to remain x equals to 3 over 3. 3 key itself 1. 3 key itself 1. Therefore, our x is what? 1. Bye.